With a little imagination, you can transform a lot of different objects into incense burners. Take a frog, for example. No, not that kind of frog. This kind of frog. Lots of different ceramic pieces can easily be turned into fun and interesting incense burners. I'll show you just how easy it can be on this episode of Incense Magic. All sorts of things can be converted into incense burners, but today I want to show you how simple it can be to turn a small, inexpensive ceramic piece into a unique incense burner. Now, the piece only needs to meet a couple of criteria. It needs to be hollow, but most ceramic pieces are. It needs to have an opening near the bottom and another opening near the top. It also needs to be able to hold your incense without the incense touching the sides of the burner. That's it. Now, in addition to the ceramic piece, I also have some felt dots and a small ceramic tile. Now, this little frog was found at a local dollar store. The moment I saw the open mouth, I knew I had to buy it. Now, I began by removing the sticker that covered the bottom opening. I then applied 4 small felt dots to the bottom of the frog. Now, this is important to ensure that air can flow below and then up into the body of the frog. If the burner sits flat, there may not be enough airflow to keep the incense burning. Next, I added a small ceramic tile. In this case, I'm using one that came in an old package of Japanese joss sticks. Now, since it's bisque, actually this one's ceramic, it can actually handle the heat of having an incense cone burning on it directly. It also has a hole in the center if you wanted to burn a joss stick or even a small masala stick. Now, believe it or not, that's all there is to it. Just light the cone, place it on the tile, and then set the ceramic piece over the incense. After a moment, smoke will start to rise through the hollow body and out the top opening, as long as there's enough of a gap at the bottom for good airflow. I told you it was easy. You can do the same thing with larger ceramic pieces and even some stone or glass pieces. Just remember the criteria. It needs to be hollow, it has to have an opening near the bottom, an opening near the top, and the incense can't touch the insides. Now, you can find small ceramic tiles at most craft stores, and many packets of Asian incense come with a small tile like the one I've used here. Since there is usually one with each packet of incense, this is a way that you can use them with a little bit of flair. Well, that's it for this edition of Incense Magic. If you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website, theincensedragon.com. Until next time, bright blessings.